Hi guys, I made a few changes to my program. I'm not calling it draw anymore. I'm calling it design using basic shapes. The reason why I'm calling it design now because that's actually what it does. So I'm going to show you an example of a power panel that has an outlet on it and a switch and a fuse type cord plug-in that you can buy on Amazon or anywhere that sells that type of electrical stuff. eBay. Okay, so I'm going to show you that right now. So I'm not going to show you how to enter your file path. We already did that in the past video. So what I'm going to do here now, in case I have this program still active, I'm going to delete it. Okay, it should be deleted now. The way you can check that is hit edit, and it should not have anything in it except that. Okay, so we click on select shapes. We're going to go down here to power outlet, and power outlet has this example right here. So it has all the dimensions. If you were going to do something like this on a sketch, you'd have it on a piece of paper and a few dimensions here and there. And this here is the switch that I was referring to. It had a fuse in the middle, and the cable plugs in here, the power cable, and the switch was here. Sometimes they're lighted too, I guess. Anyhow, this is what we're going to make. So I'm going to put that back. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to file this over here. Make some room here. Oops, wrong one. First thing we got to do is we got to make the outline of the panel or the part size. So we'll click on part size and we'll bring up our example again. And we'll file it over here, move this over here. Okay, so our example is bring it in. Our example is 4 by 4. Well, I already got it established over here. We have 1 inch, pardon me, 1/8 radiuses on all the corners. The hole size is 1/8, and you can make this with holes or without holes. Well, we're going to make it with the holes because we're going to bolt it or screw it to a side of a box or an existing cabinet or something. Okay, so let's hit that. That's done. We can close this now. The next one, we can do the outlet or we can do the box. So if we start from the bottom up, we want to do a square. So here's the square here. Here's the alright. I'll bring this back in. Okay, so here's the example. Okay, the square dimensions are, the width is 1.1. So we type that in, 1.1 and 1.9. This is in inches. If you want to do metric, you would click on this. Or you can just leave it an inch and then click it in metric if you was doing metric. So we got to do the center. So the center is 2 by 1. So all we got to do is put a 2 there, 2 inches. Save it. Enter it. Close it. Now we're going to do the holes. So we have to come up with this XY points. Okay. XY points. First point is okay, the first point is we're going to do is this one. So Y is 1.75. That's 3/4, 1 3/4 inches. And the center is 2 inches. Enter. The bottom one is 2 inches and 1/4 inch up. Just like these here. These are 1/4 inch on from the corners. Okay. 0.250. Is that right? Yep. Enter. Okay, close. And now we're going to do the outlet. So we have to go back to outlet. Because I don't see an outlet on here. That's how you check. So the outlet is 3 inches up and 2 inches on the X. So, and it's horizontal. So 2 inches and 3 inches. Vertical or horizontal? Okay, horizontal. And I guess our part is complete. So now we can make the DXF. It's created. This is what we entered. This is our part. Alright, I'm going to SheetCam. If I can get it. Alright, here it comes. Okay, we're going to import the file. That was called part DXF in my DXFs. Open. It's in inches. We're going to call it that name. Now we're going to, alright, we'll call it that name. Okay. Here it is. It's done. Piece of cake. Now the red is an outside cut and the yellow is an inside cut. You could do this with the plasma center punch or peck drill or what do you want to call it in plasma. I think it was center punch, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to bring back the example. That was in this one. Here's the example. Here's the example that we just did. As you can see, it's the same. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching the video. I'm going to be making more.